Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jaypriya, your computer science faculty. Okay, in our last class, we discussed about strings and string functions. I hope you all can refresh the topics. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can clear your doubts in your live section. Okay, today let us start another topic, that is list in Python. See, do you know what is meant by list? Yes, list is one important data type in Python. It stores a sequence of values of any data type. It can store sequence of values of any data type. Okay, here I am giving some examples. See the first one. See, square bracket. Because you can represent a list in square bracket. Okay, this is the variables of represented only in square bracket. And all the variables are separated by commas. Okay, so the first one is empty list. Okay, because there is no variable in the list, so it is called empty list. And second one, 1 2 3, the numbers. Okay, so it is a numbered list. Second one is an example for numbered list. And third one, ABC, so it is a character list. Okay, next one, A to 7.5, so it is a list of mixed type. It is a list of mixed data type. And last one, A, B, B, C and C, D. So it is an example for string list. It is an example for string list. Okay, and this list is a mutable data type. Do you know what is meant by mutable? Yes, you can change the values of list. That one is called mutable data type. Clear? Next one, how to create a list. Okay, see, either you can create a list by using this one, this square bracket. Okay, that is L is equal to value 1 comma value 2 comma etc. Okay, this construct is called list display construct. Okay, this type of construct is called list display construct. Otherwise, you can create a list by using the list function. You can create a list by using the list function. Okay, for example, L is equal to list empty parenthesis. Okay, this instruction or this statement create an empty list. Okay, see, otherwise you can create a list from the existing sequence. Okay, you can create a new list from the existing. That is, L is equal to list of sequences. Okay, these sequences will be the variables or the values of the list. See the example, L1 is equal to list of hello. Hello is a string. Okay, L1 is equal to list of hello. Then print L1. Okay, so it prints the value HELLO. So it prints this list. Okay, here we take the string hello as list. So when you print this, it will print this hello. Okay, that is each character. Okay. The next one more example. Here T is equal to WERTY. Okay, the variables or the each characters is assigned into this T. It is assigned as a list. Okay. Then L2 is equal to list of T. Okay, first these characters is assigned to T. Then list of T means this T will take it as a list. Okay. So this list of T will assign to variable L2. Then print the L2. So when you print this L2, that displays this list, that is WERTY1. Okay. Next one, how to create a list using keyboard input. Okay. See, here we have some examples. See, L1 is equal to list of input enter list elements. Okay. So then enter list elements will display 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, by displaying this enter list elements, you can give the input 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can give any input. Okay, then L1, when you print this L1, now see, now these statements are worked in Python shell, not in Python scripting. Okay, now it is not working in a script mode, now it is working in a Python shell. So when you print this L1, you will get this as the output. Okay, in square bracket 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Then otherwise, see, now you enter these as numbers, but when you print it, it is as characters. Do you know what's the reason? Yes, here we didn't mention the data type of these variables or the values. That's why when you use this input keyword, it will accept all the data as string. Okay, so to convert into numbers, you can use a keyword eval. Okay, the eval operator you can use. So here list is equal to eval input enter list to be added. Here this is the statement enter list to be added. So when you print the list you entered. Okay, then list. Okay, print the list you entered list. Okay, see when these statements are executed, these are the statements. Okay, when it is executed, you will get the enter list to be added. Okay, when this statement is displayed in your screen, you can enter the given numbers. You can enter the values in between two square brackets. Okay, you can enter the values in square bracket. Then list you entered will display this list. Clear? In this mode, not need to enter in square bracket, but in this mode you have to enter the values in square bracket. This type of instruction maybe you can use in script mode. Sometimes it is not working in Python shell. The eval operator sometimes not working in Python shell. Then you can work with it script mode. Okay. So first one, you need to represent the square bracket. In second one, you need to represent square bracket. Next topic is string versus list. Okay, string stores a continuous or a sequence of characters. Like that, list is also stores a sequence of values. Okay, then there are some similarities between string and list. Okay, here I am finding some similarities. First one, length. Okay, in string, length of ln of L will give the length of string. Like that, you can find the length of list by using the keyword, not the function length. Ln of that list will give the length of list. Okay, next one, indexing and slicing. Okay, this one is also used in string. That is L of I will give ith location value and L of ij you can use for slicing. Okay, next one, membership operator. There are two types of membership operator, in and not in. These two operators also work in list. Okay, next one, concatenation and replication operator. This concatenation and replication operator you can work with list. Concatenation is used to concatenate two strings or to join two strings or two lists. Okay, and the replication is used to repeat a number of times or repeat the given string or given list. Clear? And the last one is accessing individual elements. Accessing individual elements, that is in list you can access an individual list by representing its position number. For example, L of 0 or L of 1 or L of 5, that will give that position's variable or value. It also has some differences. Okay, that is the strings are not mutable but lists are mutable. That is, you can change the position of variables or values in a list, but in string it is not possible to change a single character. Clear? Next topic is list operations. The first one is traversing a list. Traversing a list means accessing and processing each element of a list. Okay, accessing and processing each element of a list. Here we have one example. See, the syntax for using this is for item in list. That is, you can access and process a list only by using some loops. Okay, this is syntax for loop. Then for item in list, then process item here. Okay, for example, L is equal to this list. Okay, list values are Python. Okay, Python. Okay, then the instructions for A in L. A is a variable, that is for A in L, then print A. Okay, when the Python execute this instruction, it will produce the output as this one, Python. It will produce the output as Python. Okay. Next one is joining list and replicating list. Okay, here we have an example LST1. Okay, list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and LST2 is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then to join two lists, you can use the concatenator operator. The concatenating operator is plus symbol. So LST1 plus LST2 will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the output of LST1 and LST2. That is, these two lists are joined. Okay. Next one is replicating. Replicating operator is star. Replicating operator is star. Okay. Here the example LST1 into 3 or LST1 star 3 means this list will be replicating or repeating 3 times. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is LST1, 1, 2, 3. So this list will be repeating 3 times. And like strings, you can use this star operator only with the list and number. And this concatenating operator plus symbol you can use with the either 2 numbers or with the 2 list. Same type of list or same list. Clear? Okay children, so please work on all these concepts with example. See you again with another topic. Thank you.